no slave.
Yeah, ho, 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 ho.
Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? It touched me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Just want to give a big shout out to my bro Jonathan. So, made a center console. Got a bit to put the ECU in, ECU mounted right there. Just gotta figure out how to do that. How to do some wiring. So, where we are right now with that. So, cup holders go in, seat power, and it goes in there, gauges. So, still in progress on that. And then we got the tubular control arms on. So I didn't vlog any of this because we were just chilling, vibing, getting shit done. So while I wait for springs to come in. So when springs come in, I'll be able to put the knuckles on. I mean the knuckles on. Then that'll be bolted on. Then I'll be able to put hubs on. So here we are. So I did tubular control arms off eBay. They weren't that much. I'll drop the link right by now. So that's where we are right now with everything. So yeah, coming slow by slow, but we're getting closer and closer. Got a little USB, beer charge phone and everything right there. Can't wait till she's done. Yeah, we're almost there. Slow by slow, we're getting there. So I'm gonna start adding more to this video. So that's what I thought. What's up, everybody? We're back again. So continue on to the video I already had. Like I said, we got the control arms and upper and lower tubulars. It's been a few days. And we got these springs back. Big thanks to Wild Things powder coating, as always. Look how beautiful they look. Yes, they do indeed. So I'm gonna start getting those up in there. Get my knuckles on, and then let's go ahead and get started with this. Man, the video does this thing no justice. These things are just spectacular, boy. You can't go wrong with powder coat. When you powder coat something, how it comes out. So go ahead and start getting it cracking. Came back, and so go ahead and start knocking that out real quick. All right, so now we got the springs in. I just gotta slide over. But the jack, one extra person, and a lot of struggling, a lot of sweating. Put the jack under. I recommend doing it right here. Be careful not to hit that nipple. There's a nipple right here. If you do the tubular control arms like I did, just be careful. Make sure your cup is in like directly center to this, so that way when you push up on it, everything goes up. Use a dab blow to push this down. So as you're jacking up, it's going to get there. It's going to kind of feel like it's going to get stuck. Start using dab blow, start tapping it down, and then same thing with this side. So now I just gotta get everything centered, and then it should be good from there. So that's all there is to it, really. So that's pretty much it for the springs going in with the eBay tubular control arms and the CCP knuckles. You had to run the C5 up to C7 Corvette hubs. They're pretty much bolt on, rather than the old style like the Impala has, where you have to pack the bearings and everything. You had to bolt the hubs on, and you had to run the calipers for C4 I mean, CTS4, Corvette, pretty much any of them. So I'm gonna be looking around for a 6-pot front, 4-pot rear. So see if I can find anything online. But there we are. So it looks so amazing. Big thanks to Wild Things. That's beautiful in there. I did mar the other side up kind of at the bottom, but it's part of the game. It's gonna happen. But there we are. Before I let y'all go, I got a little bored earlier. So got everything on. Got the hubs, the Corvette hubs in there. Bolted in from the back and everything. So got those on. That's pretty cool because they're actually threaded in there. The studs are, so that's what they look like. We got the doggone calipers on. So keep in mind, if you're running IROC wheels like I am, you're going to need a spacer. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're running this setup, because as you see, it's hitting down there, so I can't even turn it really. So keep that in mind. It's rubbing right there too. So all you need is a little spacer to bring it a little bit out. It's a little bang out, so she'll pull out just a little, and then you'll have it sitting where you want to. Z06 rotors, CT4 calipers, 4-pot. So there it is right there. That's what it look like. They ain't done yet. And then we gotta put some powder coat on that thing. So that's to be advised, Wild Things. We'll be bringing them to you. So slow by slow, bit by bit. Y'all see what the springs look like up in there? Try to see if you can see it from this side. Yes, you can. See that? Now imagine with the everything else all up in there. So that's why we do what we do. When we do what we do, you need to see it from the front. So see where we are right now. I just got to get some shocks. Got to get them calipers powder coated, and that'd be it for the suspension. And the brakes and everything, so everything's coming bit by bit. Conclude this video. Till next time, keep it macking. Peace.
Well slay. Yeah, ho, 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 ho.